Hi guys, I'm Steve from ProXL. Today I'm going to talk about my 3 favourite products. These are the products that I enjoy using the most. These are the basics on X505. It's easy application, good flow, excellent gloss, simplest clear coats I've ever used to paint. Makes life so much easier when you're trying to get it to dry, 5 minutes at 60, polishable in 15 minutes. It's economical price-wise as well. It works really, really well. Moving on to XpressBuild. This is one of the easiest primers to use on the marketplace. Express because of the speed of drying. Build, 20 microns per coat. 5 different colours available, easy to flat down. Goes over body filler, goes over metal, goes over plastic. And my last of the 3 products, UltraGrip. UltraGrip is an easy to use adhesion promoter. It's clear in colour. It goes to most substrates, ceramics, glass, plastic chrome. It just works really well. You can apply straight over the top within 5 minutes. It sticks to anything, easy to use. So that's a quick overview of my 3 favourite products from ProXL. These are the ones I use the most. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you on the next one.